Hi friends, today I came up with load tester. You can make this very easily and it's very useful for your work. You can use this to find short circuit in electric items such as mixer, grinder or any electric items, and you can find short circuit in transformer, SMPS power supply or your phone charger or any electronic item work with 230 AC current. For example, if you have any item with short circuit, when you plug to your home plug point, your tip switch turn off. But you supply to this load tester, you can find short circuit or not. This is a 230 plug point. You can connect any item to this. This is a 230 AC input. This is a power on off switch. This is a power indicator LED. Banana connectors. So 230 volt meter. This is a bulb holder. You can use filament bulb more than 60 watt, and you can connect multimeter probe to this is a line, this is a neutral, or you can use crocodile clips. Now let's see how to make a load tester and how to use it. Okay, watch, think and do it. First I fix the 100 watt bulb, then I connect to 230 volt AC current. Then I switch turn on, then power indicator LED is on, then I plug two probes, and now I turn on indicate 230. When it short circuit, bulb is on and voltage is dropped to 0. This is a UPS transformer. Already I know this is a primary winding and this is a secondary winding. First we can find when short circuit bulb is turned on. You can see the voltage is 0. This is a 230 side. Now I am going to find this transformer winding is short circuit or not, and we can find primary and secondary side. First I connect to the transformer, then I switch on. You can see 230 voltage and bulb is off because this transformer winding is good. Then I connect to secondary line, and turn on the switch. When bulb is turned on and voltage is 0. When you supplying 12 volt side to 230 current, this is appear only short circuit and bulb is turned on and voltage is dropped to 0. This transformer primary winding is good and secondary winding also good. Now I am going to check. This is a 12 volt charger. This is a neutral. This is a line. Now I am going to find this circuit short circuit or not. And I connect to the line connect to the line, and this is a neutral connect to the neutral. Then I switch on, then you can see 230 volt in voltmeter and bulb is switch off. If this charger has a short circuit, then this bulb turn on and voltage drop to 0. Now I am going to check mixer. I connect plug into this port. When I switch on, this bulb dim and voltage drop to 110 or 120 because of this mixer hasn't any short circuit and this is a good one. If you have any short circuit, this bulb turn on and voltage going to 0. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Like and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thank you guys.